place. What you doing? What you doing? And you, watch the train. Look, what you doing? What's going on? Missy Bird, put your eyes up. What you doing? Sweet babies. Hit the trail, say baby bird. My name's Sweet Betty. I'm best here. My bird. Those are pretty birds. I'm watch. And a sweet Piccolo. Mine's only I'm never time clocks. Sweet Betty. What you want to? Look, that's a kiss. I got I need Mommy loves you. Baby bird, I love you. You'll cheer. Spread one more pretty bird. What you do with that sweet baby bird? It's pretty bird. I love you. What you doing? What a pretty bird. I get it. Hold on the base or thank you. I love you to got it to you. What you doing? It's good. It's not very big. I love you. Sweet. What you doing, sweet baby bird? I see her pretty birds. I think. What you did? No scratch. What you doing? Down. Like a pink bird. What you doing? I scratch. Car, please, silly bird. A silly bird. It's a pretty bird. Sure. Pretty bird. Sweet baby bird. It's baby bird. Stick to the body and tail. There's a pretty bird costume. My name is It's good, sweet baby bird. I love you. Are you watching you? I love you. Watch out. This is sweet Betty bird. What you doing? I'm up the train. Pretty dear bird. Smart baby bird. Oh, this is sweet baby bird. Pretty bird. Watch the train car, please. Watch the train car, please. Watch her bounce. Hello, Piccolo. Bird's here. Sarah. Sweet bumps. What you doing? What you doing? Where's a pretty bird? Where's a pretty bird? Sweet baby bird. Oh, pretty cute. Yes, you can put agents between. And you can I'm so happy. My name is a trampoline. I'm a silly bird. Sorry, but they're shaking and baby. It's time to start. I'm probably guilty of future to Barry. I can't be this Barry. Look at my silly bird. Look at my door. Beauty bird. What you doing, Piccolo? Barry loves you, just puts me a clue. What you doing, bird? What's it to the Piccolo? Scratch? Eddie bird. My name's Piccolo. Be a gadget, baby bird. Who's a sweet baby bird? Hello, it's a good bird. My name's Piccolo. Who's a sweet baby bird? I love you, we bear smart, please. Good night, Gracie. I'm a sweet Romeo. That is a fine Joseph. My new baby never. It is a kill. Gadget, Betty Bird. My name, better, please. Say, why never, bird? What you doing, Piccolo? I love you. You're so smart. Pretty girl. Don't make crazy. Meow.